Hello, Tab Nation. It's your boy Tom, and if you are not familiar, I am doing every so often coding challenges. Now, they're not always going to be 100% about you all coding, but just for fun, solving puzzles. Just because, hey, that's what coding is. A lot of problem solving, puzzle solving. So sometimes we'll do math puzzles, fun little games, whatnot. But a lot of them are going to be centered around you guys actually writing code to find an answer to something. So in this one, if you have never played, 2048 is a very popular game at one point years ago on phones, and I even had it on my smartwatch at one point. But that's fine. If you don't know what it is, I'll explain it. So here's the code. Obviously, that will be linked in the description below. And I'm not going to go through this. I have tons of videos explaining all the different kinds of code in here. This is more about the fun of it and less about the code. So yeah, let's take a look. Launch the program, and you get a little box like this. So you're going to use the arrow keys on your keyboard. If you want to change that, obviously you can. You can go in here and look for where it says like up. You could change it to, W, and then use WASD. Just change each one. There's the down arrow if you want to use S. It's up to you. You can change it, but for now, it's just default to arrow keys. I know some people might not have arrow keys or something on their keyboard, but whatever. So yeah, basically the goal is you're going to move these blocks. So I'm going to push right. And every time you push a button, a new block appears, and everything that can move moves in that direction. Now, if you have two numbers like this that are the same, if they hit each other, they add. So 2 and 2, I pushed up, became 4. Push that. Let's go ahead and put that 2 up there also. Move that over. Now that 4 and 4 are going to become 8, and those two 2's at the bottom are going to become 4. And basically what you do is, obviously I'm just pushing buttons just so you can see. Your goal is to get to the number 2048. So you need, see it right now I have a 32 as my highest. You want to get a block that says 2048. That means you won the game. Now, you can continue keep playing after that, obviously, if you want. So the other thing, too, is right now, it is calculating how many moves I'm making, just using a variable, ++. And you play the game until you run out of blocks, and somehow I'm actually doing pretty decent here, somehow. So when you run out of moves and you can no longer make a move anymore, you will get a message box at some point. Okay, for some reason I did not get one there. I'll fix the code before I post it. But yeah, you'll get a message box saying how many moves it took you to get to the goal of 2048. So in the comments below, I want to know a few things from you all. How many moves did it take you to get to 2048? And then maybe if you want to go beyond 2048, what is the highest score you were able to actually get in a block number? And just so you know, the highest score possible in this game is 131,072. So if you guys can get to that, I would be very impressed. Don't cheat, obviously. Then you're just cheating yourself. And apparently the lowest average moves that you can get to 2048 is 939 moves is considered the average as being like the lowest score. I know people have gotten lower than that, but that's more about luck than skill. So yeah, let me know how many moves it took you to get to this. What's your highest score you were able to get to? And yeah, just put them in the comments below. And I will see you guys all on the next challenge video. Enjoy!